Hey everyone, so I got my air filter in. I will show it to you in a second. And today we're going to install it. The weather is nice, so I need to make use of that because it's not going to stay like this forever. So I got this wonderful air filter. This should improve my bike's performance, but also make it run leaner because she's running quite quick right now. So this should improve the performance, but also the way she burns fuel. And because K&N is just a really good brand, it's like a lifelong thing. You can reuse them all the time. So basically, after 50,000 miles, you can take this out, clean it, put it back after oiling it, and you can go another 50,000 miles. I highly recommend getting these. So now that we've got the tank loose, we need to keep it up. And here, this is the air box. We need to open that up and replace it with the new air filter. So this is what the new air filter looks like. I haven't taken it out of the plastic yet. That will happen when I install it. The old air filter is here. I think... Oh, I need to loosen those two up. Okay. Out. Alright. So this is inside the airbox. It's gunk, and actually I even have a spider's body. So I've I've got to clean that out. And that right there, that's the old air filter. So now, this is the old air filter. As you can see, it's nothing more than a piece of foam. That's it. It's nothing special. It's just foam. Obviously, this is not the best of the things that we have. We can get so much better. So I'm going to replace that. So this K&N filter comes pre-oiled, ready to use, 50,000 miles, and then you clean it and re-oil it. It's much different quality, as you can see. Should improve a lot of the characteristics of the bike. So that goes right here. Et voila, perfect fit. Something to keep in mind, that filter will not fit when this is in it. This function is built into the K&N filter, because the other filter, the old filter, is just foam. That has the foam and mesh in it, so this needs to be taken out. The lesson here is, don't hold back, push a little, or rather, punch. Although I have to say these were more like slaps. Bonus feature. We are actually doing slaps at martial arts right now. So that movement just got practiced.